Talk about taking comfort food to a whole new level. Today's recipe combines two tried and true favorites, chili and macaroni and cheese. The result is one beefy, cheesy casserole that's good till the very last bite. Howard shows us how to make his chili mac and cheese in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
We're a nation that loves when we combine two classic flavors into one. I mean, who doesn't love peanut butter and chocolate or fried chicken and waffles? So today, let me show you a new favorite that combines our best mac and cheese with a shortcut beefy chili. We start by cooking some elbow macaroni according to the package directions. Once they're tender, we drain them. And while they sit for a sec, we melt some butter in the same pot. To that, we add some flour and dry mustard, along with a bit of salt and pepper. After this comes together, we stir in some milk and let it cook until it thickens up. Once it does, in goes lots of cheddar cheese. After it melts, we add our pasta and into a casserole dish it goes. Some shortcut chili goes over that, along with more cheese and crispy fried onions. That'll give it the crispy, cheesy top we all love. After it's baked, it's time to call the troops to the table. Does this look amazing or what? And talk about the perfect combo. You get the creaminess of the mac and cheese and the beefiness from the chili. To get the recipe for our chili mac and cheese, simply visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found two classics in one way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Yummy. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.